Welcome to another MT2 Trading Platform tutorial video. This time, I'll be showing you to download free MetaTrader 4/5 indicators from MT2 Marketplace. The first step will be to access the MT2 Market with your internet browser. You can find a direct link on the description of this video. As you can see on screen, the market is full of different MetaTrader indicators, tools, and freelance services. In order to download free indicators, you will need to choose the ones that have a free text beneath the name of the product. In this example, we will download the Kalashnikov indicator. To do so, click on the product image and you will be automatically redirected to the product page. By scrolling down on this page, you'll find a brief product description, as well as other customer reviews and inquiries. To proceed with the download, just click on the Download for Free button as shown on screen. A small window will pop up, requiring you either to log in to an existing account or sign up for a new one. To create a new account, simply click on the Sign Up text and fill the required forms with your information. And click on the Create Account button. Once your account has been created, the product page will be reloaded and you'll be ready to download the indicator. Just click once again on the Download for Free button and your download will automatically start. That's it. You can now enjoy free MetaTrader 4/5 indicators from MT2 Marketplace. Best regards, MT2 Team.